Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you about how to add figures in your documents through LaTex. For example, you are going to add this graph as shown on the right of your screen in your document. Then first of all, you will have to save this document in some place where the path is shortest to the figure. So the shortest path in my mind is the D drive. So save this graph in your D drive and give it a short and meaningful name. For example, I'm saving it with the name graph1.jpg. After saving your graph, the first thing you should do is write the three basic tags in your MPhil editor. The three basic tags I am talking about are /document class, /begin document, and /end document. These are the three basic tags that you always need to write your LaTex document. So type /document. Inside these curly braces, write the type of your document, that is article here. You can also write book, thesis, or other things. Then /begin document and /end document. Remember, always write the /end document at the end of the document. For inserting the figure, we need a package called GraphicX. To use a package in LaTex, always use your preamble area. And in the preamble area, write a command called /use package. Inside the curly braces, type the name of the package. And this should always be written in the preamble area. Where is the preamble area? Here is the preamble area. So type /use package GraphicX. Then define the environment for your figure on the page wherever you want to insert your figure. To define the environment for your figure, you need these two tags, /begin figure and /end figure, just like begin document and end document. So these two tags are used for figures. Now type these two tags, /begin figure and /end figure. In between these two tags, that is after this and before this tag, use the command /include graphics. What does this /include graphics command do? This defines the height and width, that is the dimensions of the figure, and also you tell the path of the figure to the LaTex. So type /include graphics. Define the dimensions in between these brackets and give the path in the curly brace. Here width has been defined as 10 centimeter and height has been defined as 10 centimeters. So these brackets are used for giving the dimensions. You can also keep the aspect ratio of the figure constant if you want it. Otherwise, you don't need this keep aspect ratio. In these two curly braces, you give the path to the figure. As you can see that we have typed here d:/graph1.jpg. This is the name of the figure and this is the location we have saved our graph1.jpg in. Now give caption to your figure. As you know that we always need captions beneath the figures. So beneath your figure, type the command /caption. In between these two curly braces, type the title of the figure, and here we have given this is my first graph. You can give any title to your figure, whatever you want. Then another important thing is /label command beneath your caption command. This /label will not appear on your final document. This is just to tag your figure with certain code or with certain name so that you can refer to your figure later on in the text in your document. So type /label and give some meaningful label to your figure. For example, here I have given fig1. LaTex automatically numbers your figures. If you insert one figure, it will give number 1 to it. If you insert another figure, it will number it as 2. So it will number all your figures in increasing order. And this is just a label. This doesn't represent any numbering of the figure. You can give here fig 2, fig 3, whatever you want. You can give your name. For example, you can write Roshan here. You can write some code, for example, 1, 2, 3, etc. This will not appear in your final document. This is just to refer your figure later on in the text somewhere in your document, but you cannot give two figures the same label. So give different labels to different figures. To refer to your figure later on in the text in your document, always use /ref command. For example, I am referring to this figure later on in my document. I wrote a sentence, as you can read. So in the front of this sentence, I want to write the number of the figure to which I am referring to. So here you don't need to write the numbers of the figures. It will automatically extract the number of the figure you are referring to. Just write /ref and give here the label of the figure to which you are going to refer. So when you type the label of this figure, then it will write 1 here. So now let's copy this whole code and paste it in your MPhil editor. For this purpose, open your MPhil. To open a new editor in your MPhil, click on File and then click New. As I have already opened a new document in my MPhil, so I don't need to open another one. And I have saved this new document by the name of document3.tex. The LaTex documents are always saved with the tex extension. Now copy this code. Open MPhil, paste that code here. Document class article, use package GraphicX. This is the preamble area. Begin document, end document, begin figure, end figure. In between these two tags, include graphics, width 10 cm, height 10 cm, keep the aspect ratio. Path to the figure is D, and the name of the image or the graph is graph1.jpg. The caption I have given is this is my first graph, and the label to this figure is figure 1. To refer to this figure, I have written /ref. Now click on these two green triangles so that we can see the final output of this file. Here is the final output. As you can see, the figure we had saved in our D drive has now been appeared on our document. This is the figure, and this is the title or caption of our figure, and it has been written as figure 1. This is my first graph. As I already told you that it automatically numbers the figures. It has numbered this figure as figure 1, and the title is this is my first graph. As you can see that this is my first graph is the title, and it has appeared here. The second thing we wrote here is this statement, and we have referred to the figure. This statement can be seen here as it has been shown in the 1. This /ref label fig1 has changed into the number of the figure. Let me write another thing with this is figure, so that figure appears with 1. Now again, now the figure has appeared with number 1. Now let's insert the same figure again with different caption and with different label. Copy this. Hit enter. Paste it here. So the same thing has been pasted here. Now I'm gonna give this fig 2, and the caption should be changed to this is my second graph. Again run this. Yes, this is figure 1. This is figure 2. Now let's decrease the size of the figures so that it may fit on single page. Here I'm decreasing this to 5 cm. Also this one to 5 cm. Also decrease the size of the first figure 5 cm, 5 cm. Now run the code again. Yes, now both the figures have been accommodated in our single page because we have reduced the size of the figures. So this is figure 1 and this one is figure 2. You can read the titles, the captions of the first figure. This is my first graph. The second one, this is my second graph. As you can see, the LaTex has automatically given numbers to these two figures, figure 1 and figure 2. Now, if you want to refer to the second figure in your document, as you can see here, we have referred to the figure 1. If you want to refer to your figure 2, you just change this to fig 2. The label has been changed to this one. Compile the document and you can see that this number has changed now. Okay, thank you for watching. Inshallah, next time in my next video, I'm going to tell you about how to insert tables in your documents. So thank you. Bye.